Close your eyes, Leo. Today I'm taking you to the most exciting place in the city.
Is it an amusement park?
Better.
A zoo?
Nope. This place has fire, flying, painting, cooking, and even catching bad guys.
What? All in one place?
Yes, it's a place where you can try many different professions and imagine your future.
Is it like a city for kids?
You could say that. It's called the House of 1,000 Jobs.
Wow, can I really try the jobs?
Yes, you can enter every room and become someone new.
I want to see everything.
Then open your eyes.
Whoa, so many doors.
Behind each door is a different career.
Let's start now.
All right, pick the first store.
The one with the red helmet.
Ah, a brave choice.
What job is it?
Let's find out together. This is the fireman's room.
Look, the big red truck.
Firefighters protect people from fires.
Can I wear the helmet?
Of course.
It's heavy.
Yes, they carry heavy equipment.
What is this hose for?
To spray water on fires.
Do they rescue people?
Yes, they save lives.
That sounds brave.
It is. They must be strong and calm.
Can I pretend to put out a fire?
Go ahead.
I'm spraying water.
Good job, firefighter.
I feel like a hero.
That's what firefighters are.
This job is exciting.
Ready for the next room?
I see a white coat.
Doctors help sick people feel better.
What is this?
A stethoscope.
Can I listen to your heart?
Yes,
I hear a sound.
that's my heartbeat.
Doctors check temperature too.
Yes, and they give medicine.
Do they work in hospitals?
Mostly yes.
I will check your eyes.
Very careful.
You are healthy.
Thank you, doctor.
I like helping people.
That's important in this job.
Doctors are very important.
Yes, they save lives too.
Smell that?
It smells delicious.
This is the chef's kitchen.
Wow, so many pots.
Chefs cook meals.
Can I wear the chef hat?
Yes.
You look professional.
What do I cook?
How about pasta?
I'm stirring the pot.
Be careful, it's hot.
Chefs work in restaurants.
Yes,
I made a dish.
it looks tasty
Cooking is fun.
and creative.
I like this job.
Let's try another. Welcome to the engineer's room.
Wow, I see bridges and robots.
Engineers build machines, roads, and buildings.
Do they fix things too?
Yes, they solve problems every day.
What is this table with drawings?
These are plans. Engineers draw plans before they build.
Can I design something?
Of course, try to design a robot.
My robot can clean the house.
That's a smart idea.
Engineers must think a lot.
Yes, they use math and creativity.
I like solving problems.
Then you would be a great engineer. This is the veterinarian's clinic.
I see a little dog.
Veterinarians take care of animals.
Do animals come here when they are sick?
Yes, just like people go to doctors.
Can I check the dog?
Yes, listen to his heart.
The dog needs medicine.
Good job.
Do vets love animals?
Some vets work on farms and help cows and horses.
I want to help animals feel better.
That's the heart of a veterinarian. Now we are in a small store.
There is a cash register.
A cashier works in stores and helps customers pay.
Can I scan the food?
Yes, scan the apple first.
Beep. It worked.
Cashiers must count money carefully.
What if someone pays with a card?
They use a machine for that.
Do cashiers talk to customers?
Yes, they are polite and friendly.
Your total is $5.
Thank you, young cashier.
It's fun to work in a shop.
And it teaches responsibility. Welcome to the classroom.
There is a big board.
Teachers help students learn new things.
Can I write on the board?
Yes, write the word hello.
Hello.
Excellent.
Do teachers answer many questions?
Every day.
Is it hard?
Sometimes, but it is rewarding.
Class, open your books.
You sound like a real teacher.
I like explaining things.
That's an important skill. This is the police station.
I see a badge.
Police officers protect people.
Do they catch bad guys?
Yes, and they keep the city safe.
Can I direct traffic?
Stand tall and raise your hand.
Stop. Now go.
Very good.
Do police officers follow rules too?
Always. They respect the law.
It is a serious job.
Yes, it needs courage.
I feel responsible.
That's the spirit of an officer. Welcome to the laboratory.
There are colorful liquids.
Scientists do experiments.
Can I mix these?
Yes, they are safe.
Wow, it changed color.
Science is about discovery.
Do scientists ask questions?
All the time.
Why is the sky blue?
That's a scientific question.
I like exploring.
Curiosity is important.
Maybe I will invent something.
That's how great discoveries begin. This is the airplane cockpit.
So many buttons.
Pilots fly airplanes.
Is it difficult?
It requires training and focus.
Can I sit here?
Yes, hold the steering control.
We are flying.
Pilots carry many passengers.
That's a big responsibility.
Yes, safety is very important.
Do pilots travel a lot?
They see many countries.
I want to fly high.
Then study hard. Welcome to the farm.
I see vegetables.
Farmers grow food for us.
Do they wake up early?
Very early.
Can I plant a seed?
Yes, put it in the soil.
Now we wait?
Yes, plants need time.
Do farmers have animals?
Many do,
It's hard work.
but very important.
We need farmers every day.
Exactly. This room is full of colors.
Paint and brushes?
Artists create art.
Can I paint?
Yes, paint what you feel.
I'm painting a sunset.
Beautiful.
There are no rules?
Art is about imagination.
I feel free.
That's the power of creativity.
Artists share emotions.
Yes, through pictures.
I love this room.
It shows your creative side. This is the sports room.
A soccer ball.
Athletes train every day.
Can I kick it?
Go ahead.
Goal!
Athletes must practice.
Do they eat healthy food?
Yes, and sleep well.
Is it easy?
No, it takes discipline.
I will train hard.
That's how champions grow.
Sports are exciting.
And good for your body. This is a building site.
I need a helmet.
Safety first.
What do construction workers do?
They build houses and roads.
Can I carry this brick?
Carefully.
It's heavy.
Teamwork helps.
Do they work together?
Always.
Building takes time.
Yes, step by step.
I built a small wall.
Well done. Smile. We are in the photography room.
This camera looks cool.
Photographers capture moments.
Can I take your picture?
Yes.
Click.
That's a nice photo.
Do photographers travel?
Many do.
They save memories.
Exactly.
I want to take more pictures.
Keep practicing. Welcome to the stage.
There is a spotlight.
Actors perform in movies and theater.
Can I act?
Show me a happy face.
Ha ha ha!
Now a sad face.
Boo-hoo!
Very expressive.
Do actors memorize lines?
Yes, many lines.
It looks fun.
And challenging.
I feel dramatic.
You have talent. This is a big bus.
I'm driving.
Bus drivers carry passengers safely.
Do they follow routes?
Yes, they stop at stations.
Tickets, please.
Very polite.
Is safety important?
Very important.
Do they work long hours?
Sometimes.
I will drive carefully.
That's responsible.
Next stop.
Good job, driver. This is the newsroom.
I have a microphone.
Journalists report news.
What is happening today?
Ask me questions.
What is your name?
Mr. Smith.
How do you feel?
Happy.
Journalists must listen carefully.
Yes, and write clearly.
Breaking news.
You sound professional.
I like asking questions.
That's the key skill. This looks like a pharmacy.
So many medicines.
Pharmacists give medicine to people.
Do they read prescriptions?
Yes, very carefully.
Can I try?
Read this label.
Take 2 times a day.
Correct.
Is it a big responsibility?
Very big.
They must not make mistakes.
Exactly.
I will be careful.
That's what makes a good pharmacist. So, Leo, which job did you like most?
I don't know. I liked many of them.
That's okay. You have time to choose.
Can I come back again?
Of course, your future is full of possibilities.
Today I learned so much.
And this is only the beginning.
Thank you, Dad.
I'm proud of you.
Maybe one day I will try them all.
You can be anything you want.
The House of 1,000 Jobs is amazing.
Yes, but the real world is even bigger.
I'm excited for my future.
And I'll always support you.